Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we're going to discuss about the product single scale fusion, an effective approach to merging images. Now we're going to discuss about the abstract for the process. Due to its robustness and the effectiveness of the multi-scale fusion, that is the MSF, based on the Laplacian pyramid decomposition, has emerged in a popular technique that has been shown the utility in many applications. Guided by the several institute measures, that is the weight map measures for the MSF process, is versatile and the straightforward to implemented. However, the number of parameters levels increase with the image size, which implies the sophisticated data management and the memory access, as well as additional to the computational. Here we introduce an simplified formulation that reduces the MSF to only a single level process. So here we reduce the multi-scale process into a single scale process. Starting from the MSF decomposition, we explain both the mathematical and the instrument visually. A way of sampling the classical MSF approach with the minimal loss of information, the resulting single scale fusion, that is the SSF solution, is a close approximation to the MSF process that eliminates the important redundant components. It also provides regarding the why MSF is to effectively, while our simplified expression is derived in the context of high dynamic range imaging, we shows is done generally on several well-known fusion-based applications such as the image compositing, extended depth field, medical imaging, and blending, thermal infrared images with the visible light blindness, visual validation, quantization, evolution. Then they demonstrate that our SSF is able to yield the result from highly than the multi-scale fusion method. Now we discuss the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall working procedure for the process. Now the input image is the first module. The input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of several images. After getting the input image, now in this process we have to took the two input image as an input. After getting the input image from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. In the pre-processing step, we have to resize the image into the aspect ratio. In this process, we will resize the image into 200 cross 200, that is the length of the, that is the row of the image is 200, then the column of the image is 200. After the resizing image into the corresponding size, the image is undergone for the fusion process. In the fusion process only, the image will be enhanced by using the algorithm single scale fusion, that is known as the SSF. By using this algorithm, the image will be enhanced, the data will be regained as an enhanced output. After getting the enhanced output, we have to estimate the parameters like entropy, time, and SSIM. The entropy is calculated to get the efficiency of the fusion, as well as the time of the process is estimated to estimate the fusion time. Then we have to calculate the SSIM parameter to estimate the structural similarity index matrix between the input and the output. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2013 and you can see the current folder in the left side. If you want to execute the code, select the main_GUI.m and right click in that folder and select the option run. Now the initial GUI design was opened. In that you can see the several push buttons in the left side and the two axes in the right side for displaying the image. Now click the button input image. After clicking the button input image, the dataset folder was opened. In that you can select any one image from the dataset and again repeatedly it will ask the second image as an input. Now I can select the second image from the dataset. Now the input image 1 is displayed in the axis 1 with the title input image 1. Now the input image is 2 is selected, which I have selected is shown in the axis 2 with the title input image 2. Now click the button pre-processing. After clicking the button pre-processing, the resize is carried for the first image as well as for the second image. The resized image, first image is shown in axis 1 with the title resized image. Then the resized image which have undergone for the second image is shown in the axis 2. The resize is exactly done for the resolution of 200 cross 200. Now click the button image fusion. After clicking the button image fusion, it will take some few seconds to processing the fusion process. After completing the fusion process, the input image 1, input image 2 and the fused image is shown in the window. Now the first image, the right side area will be blur and the left side area will be some clear. In the second image, the left side image will be blur and the right side area will be clear. But in the last image, that is the fused image, both the region of the left image and the right image will be more clear. After obtaining the result, we have to click the estimation button. Now the estimated parameters is shown in the window. Now the time and the SSIM and then the entropy value is shown in the figure. Thanks for watching this video.